cooking. I got the grill up and running. Got a nice thin blue smoke, as you can see in the background. I don't know if you can see that or not. There it is. See a nice thin blue smoke coming up out of there. Yep, that's what she's doing now, just purring along. And so, what do you do when nothing else to do? Listen to the music. You have yourself a cigar and a cup of coffee. All right, the pork butts and brisket flat have been on about 3 hours with the lid down. Haven't looked at it at all. So let's lift the lid and take a look, see what it looks like. I'll have to pause this for a second and be right back. Everything's looking good. I got a little spritz bottle here with a little vinegar in it, and give it a little spray here. There's that brisket. It's looking good too. Got a nice bark on it. Take a look at the water pan. Pretty good. So that's looking really good right now. Flat's looking good. Pork butt's looking good. Got a nice bark to it. So we'll let this keep working. We'll put the top back down, and I got no puddling on top of the brisket there. So yeah, let's keep cooking. 23 hours into this. Give it one more little quick hit crisp on this side there. Create a lot of bark. Yeah. That back side there. Back side there. Got my little temperature probe right there. Give me a grill check. Here we are again, Tony's Barbecue. We're busy. Sun's coming up a little bit. We checked the brisket and the pork butt, and we're getting ready for the grill part later on, and then we're going to put the ribs on here in about another 45 minutes to an hour. But look who else comes out here, the other part of Tony's Barbecue, the old wifey. She shows up. She came out here, did a little help out. Take a look at the pork butt and the brisket. They've been on for about 4.5 hours now.
Wow.
It's about 169, 168. It's tender right here, but not quite tender all the way. That's a good way to go yet. See that?
Fine.
Probably won't even go through that part right there. So need a little bit more work. Getting a lot of work right there. I'm gonna flip it around.
How about the other one? Good? Yeah.
Twist it around, get kind of brown on that side. You see the heat coming across, make that little brown that way. That might be ready for wrapping.
Get a little hour.
All right, let's see what we're doing now with Tony's Barbecue here. All right. Get the ribs on
Oh,
already.
you're in the ribs? Oh, right.
The ribs are on. Let's take a taste of this brisket.
Which one? A chicken, the bottom? Okay, that's it. Hold on.
Chicken wings, a little test here. I got some of this Dirty Bird Hot and some of this John Henry Chicken Taylor. We're gonna put this on both sides of the chicken wings and see how they taste. They've been marinated in Italian seasoning overnight. And get a good dusting of this right here on both sides. Now we're going to finish them off with some of this John Henry Texas chicken tickler. We'll let the seasoning work for about an hour, and then after about an hour, we'll go ahead and
I'll just let it stand like that.
let this sit for about an hour, and then we'll go ahead and put these on the grill, on the smoker. See what we come up with. See what we come up with, baby. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Give a little sour there. All right. That's just completely. Okay.
That one here. Yeah.
Well, it don't need to be covered, but
Yeah,
just
I
give
feel like you got a little taste.
on there. Yeah. So what kind of taste we get on these wings. All right. All right, here we go. We got the pork butt wrapped up. The brisket's about to be wrapped up now in butcher paper. Got some ribs on, and the chicken wings with my special chicken rub seasoning on there. So we'll see what's going on. The ribs at the top really are cooking faster than the ones at the bottom. That's all right. We'll get this thing wrapped up and we'll see what happens next. All right, here are the chicken wings. They've been on about 2.5 hours. Hey, turn.
Turn it.
Pork butt's about ready. And the brisket's pretty close to being done too. So we'll check for tenderness and we'll be right back. Bone comes nice and clean and free. That's a good looking piece of pulled pork.
Oh yeah, it's really, really clean.
Sweet Manna and Tony's Barbecue together doing our setup. Ribs. Okay, girls, real quick. Look here, real quick. We got the greens, mac and cheese, little sausages, hot dogs.
Mac and cheese and
There's,
spoons. Okay.
we got barbecue meatballs and Swedish meatballs.
These
Leave that
need,
upside down.
spoons. Ones right here, okay? And chicken fingers.
That's not all Sweet Manna does. We do desserts. Here's our dessert tray.